Hey there and welcome to another episode of my contest series where I put commonly contested topics to see which is better. Nowadays, property investment has made it mainstream and there are two camps I see battling it out. On one hand, we have the gurus advocating for commercial property. These are what we commonly known as offices and retail stores. On the other hand, we have gurus advocating for residential properties. Now, before I reveal more, pick a side first. Have you got your choice? Let's begin. Number 1, commercial properties don't attract ABSD. One of the main reasons why certain gurus advocate for commercial properties is that it doesn't attract additional buyer stamp duty, or ABSD for short. This is one of the cooling measures introduced to help cool the residential market. For Singaporeans purchasing their second property or more, the ABSD rate is 17% to 25%. For PRs purchasing their second property or more, the ABSD is 25% to 30%. For foreigners purchasing residential properties, they have to pay a flat ABSD rate of 30%. Wow, that's so high! So you can see why commercial properties are attractive. But there are ways which I've actually helped my clients to purchase multiple residential properties and they don't have to unnecessarily pay for ABSD. Second, commercial properties are more liquid. Commercial properties are exempt from a holding tax known as seller stamp duty, or SSD for short. This restricts residential property owners from selling within a 3-year time frame. This is one of the supporting factors for gurus of commercial properties. However, the more liquid an asset, it also means it's going to be more volatile, which also means it's going to be more risky. And based from my experience in the real estate market over the years, commercial properties tend to be more volatile and risky. And actually, being liquid isn't the most crucial when it comes to investments. It's more important to have a strong and constant demand. Which brings me to my last pointer of this video. Residential properties have a high demand factor. Just ask yourself this question. Between a commercial and residential property, which do everyday people need in their lives? It's residential properties. Everyone needs a home. That is why residential properties tend to be less risky and have a better capital upside. Don't believe me? Take a look at these two properties, Vision Exchange and J Gateway. They are both located in Jurong East, where the Jurong transformation is happening. In theory, both these developments stand to benefit from the value enhancement of the Jurong transformation. However, in reality, one clearly outperforms the other. Let's have a look at Vision Exchange first. It's a commercial development comprising of 640 offices, 53 medical suites, and 47 restaurants. When we look at the transactions since inception, Vision Exchange has only one profitable transaction, but 14 unprofitable transactions with losses up to $499,000. Let's now look at J Gateway. It's a residential development comprising of 738 units. And since inception, there's only been 2 unprofitable transactions, but 129 profitable transactions up to $424,000. In fact, multiple owners of J Gateway all made profits above $300,000. Would you rather have bought Vision Exchange or J Gateway? That is why I favor residential properties, as they provide lower risk and higher returns. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. And as usual, if you like such interesting real estate content, follow me, like and share for more.